Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jay from the channel Millionaire Mind, and in this video I'm super excited to share with you the difference between network marketing, a legitimate MLM network marketing company, a illegal pyramid scheme, and that of a traditional job or employment system compared to network marketing. And this video is going to be very useful for those who wish to get involved in network marketing, whether you want to be a distributor, a supplier, a network marketer yourself, and some of the benefits of network marketing and how to spot a illegal pyramid scheme. Network marketing in a nutshell is a direct selling method in which independent agents serve as distributors of goods and services. Note goods and services, that's the key difference between network marketing and an illegal pyramid scheme, where they are encouraged to build and manage their own sales force by recruiting and training other independent agents. And in this method, commission is earned on the agent's own sales revenue as well as the sales revenue of the sales force recruited by the agent and his or her recruits, called downline members. It is a multi-billion-dollar worldwide industry that distributes practically any portable item or service, and that's the big difference, is a item or service is involved with a network marketing company. And I'm going to explain to you what makes a illegal pyramid scheme illegal. And you can see on this graph, which was a survey done in 2015 where I spoke about network marketing being a billion-dollar industry. You can have a look: NFL football, the music industry, organic food products, the movie industry, video gaming industry, all massive industries, and network marketing completely beats these other industries in terms of turnover by nearly double. So network marketing is a very big, upcoming and powerful industry, and it's a great industry to be in, but as I say, there are a lot of scam and illegal pyramid companies out there, and hopefully with this video I can show you how to spot them. And on the screen I've got a perfect example of a multi-level network marketing company and a pyramid scheme and exactly how each one works. And I want to focus a lot on this in this video because there is a big misconception in today's network marketing industry, because a lot of people confuse a legitimate network marketing company for that of a pyramid scheme and lose out on a good opportunity to earn a good salary or income. And as I mentioned, the key difference between a pyramid scheme and a legitimate network marketing business is a product or service. And you can see on the left is a multi-level marketing or network marketing business. So how it works is there might be a sign-up fee whether you purchase a product, whether it's a digital product. For example, I was in the network marketing industry last year with Bitcoin mining, and it's a very good company, and there was a $99 sign-up fee, and with it I got my own personal website, my own back-end office. So I'm getting a service in return for my money. So you can see, for example, you pay $100 for a starter kit, whatever it may be. You get other distributors below to sell the products to. Your friends maybe love the products, they maybe want to get involved as your downline member, and you earn money on the sales of the product, and you also get commissions for recruiting other reps and cut of their downline commissions. So as I say, the big difference is that a network marketing company involves a item, a service, or a product, and then the result is successful business and happy customers with a great team. The difference is with the pyramid scheme, recruits must pay an entry fee to join this exclusive or so-called network marketing company, and the more you pay, the more benefits or privileges you get. And I have actually come across a pyramid scheme before with Bitcoin trading, and what they said on their website is if you invest $100, you are guaranteed to get 120% return in 24 hours. And I thought, this is not true, this is no ways that is possible. So what I did was I decided to try it, to test it out. So I invested $100 on this website. 24 hours later I could withdraw $120 successfully, and it worked. And I thought, there's no ways, this just doesn't seem true. And I tried it again. The next day I could withdraw another $120, and it worked. And then the next day I decided to invest $200 where I could withdraw $240 after 24 hours. So in 3 days I made basically $90 in profit, and I thought I could literally do this for the rest of my life and never work. And I just said to myself, there's no ways this is true. And on the website they had different packages listed. So if you invested a minimum of $1,000, you would get 500% return. In other words, $5,000 back. And what the company does is they actually lure you. They lure you to enter the company or the illegal pyramid scheme by making your first few investments actually work for you. And it's very interesting because it gets a lot of people keen to join, and then eventually the website or the company crashes and they lose all their money. So this is how that works. Recruits are given products to sell, but focus is placed on them recruiting more people people to join the company. So recruits are paid commission for every new member they bring into the company. New members then recruit more people to join and pay entry fees. So how a pyramid scheme is, it basically works on the entry fee. There's no product or service involved. The system is then designed to benefit the few top management or early entrants into the company, hence why it's called a pyramid scheme. And then eventually the members or the main members of the pyramid scheme or the main source of income of the company will run out and the entire scheme collapses, but the members at the bottom lose their hefty investments while those at the top pocket the money. And how to spot a pyramid scheme? As I explained to you, the company would charge high entry fees, and my example was the one that I came across where they asked you to invest a minimum of $100 and you don't get any product or service in return. You basically invest $100 and they promise you massive high returns on your investment. So the company's business model is very vague. Source of income is primarily based on recruiting new members. As I say, no product or service involved. The product sold by the company is the biggest giveaway. They are usually overpriced or have no market or consumer value. So as I explained to you, investing a minimum of $120 or $100 into this scam that I came across and promising 120% return is just out of this world. It's mind-boggling. There's no ways that's possible, and that's why I say the product sold by the company is the biggest giveaway. Legitimate companies would actually discourage salespeople from buying too much stock and offer opportunities of refunds for unsold products. A pyramid scheme does the opposite. So this company would promise you unusually high returns on your investments. The more you invest, the higher your returns will be. So that's basically the biggest difference between a pyramid scheme and a network marketing scheme. And the most simplest difference between a network marketing business or a pyramid scheme is that in both these cases, you have money coming in from the bottom, whether it's from a consumer or a customer, from the lower levels to the higher levels. It happens in a legal network marketing business or distribution model, as well as a illegal pyramid scheme. And the distinguishing factor in a legal network marketing business or distribution model is that a client or the customer at the bottom is getting value. He's getting his product, he's happy with his product, he's a satisfied customer. Whereas with an illegal pyramid scheme, the guy at the bottom, the consumer, the guy entering the illegal pyramid scheme is getting no value. He's putting his money in and there's no product or service in return, but only false promises. And what I'm saying is, in a legitimate network marketing business, you've got money coming into the business and you've got value coming back to the customer. So there's always value coming back to the customer, whereas a pyramid scheme is you've got money going into the business and eventually that money just sits at the top and disappears. And that is a question you must ask yourself when joining a network marketing company. Is there value coming back to the customer? And a big question that I've heard a lot is, and a myth that I'd like to talk about is, does it matter how many levels there are in a network marketing business? And my short answer is no, that doesn't matter how many levels there are in a network marketing business, as long as there is value coming back to the customer at the bottom. Then you know it is a legitimate network marketing company because there is a service or product involved. And another thing I want to touch on for you guys is the corporate or traditional distribution structure and how this can actually compare to that of a traditional network marketing business, and why you should maybe look at participating in network marketing over a traditional job. And you can see with the corporate structure, you've got your CEO, your big boss at the top, your directors under them, regional managers, and your middle management and your assistant management in the middle, and your hardworking sales staff at the bottom. And you will notice that the hardworking sales staff, whether it's a salesman, a floor cleaner, whatever it may be, makes the least amount of money and works the hardest from 8 o'clock till 5 o'clock every single day. And the guy at the top, the CEO, the directors, make the most money and work the least, which makes sense. And each of these levels are dependent on each other. I mean, a CEO can't do his job without the directors. The directors can't do their job without the regional managers, and so forth. And for me, a corporate structure does relate to a pyramid scheme, but not an illegal one. It's obviously a traditional job. There's nothing illegal about that. But for me, as a hardworking sales staff, working 8 till 5 every single day, making not a lot of money as the CEO, or not as much, the hardworking sales staff can never reach the top. He will never become the CEO because, well, it will take a lot of years if he's in the company and he's good enough. But with network marketing, you can be anywhere where you want to be. You can build your own fortune as hard as you want. You can work anytime you want. You are building your own fortune. But as a hardworking sales staff in a traditional corporate structure, you are building the guys at the top, the CEO, the directors, and their fortunes, and you only getting a little bit of cut for your efforts from that. So that is what I've noticed about the corporate structure, and I really wanted to share with you. So really, I'd like to hear your opinions on this. Comment down below, and I'd love to hear what you have to say about the corporate structure compared to a pyramid structure. But certainly let me know if you'd love to see more videos on network marketing, some tips, questions, keywords, and phrases that you can use when recruiting members, and how to get people into your business and recruit more people on a weekly basis. Sort of content like that, definitely comment down below, leave a like and subscribe to receive some awesome content on network marketing, how to make money online, how to grow your business online, even your own traditional business, whatever it may be. You can contact me on Instagram looking for help at jfroneman on Instagram. And yeah, if you've got any questions, please ask me and I'm willing to help you guys out. But guys, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe down below, and I'll see you in my next video.